Good morning, freedom chasers. Welcome back to the channel. So today is Friday in Bali. It's the day after Christmas, and I'm actually getting a late start this morning because I slept in. Yesterday for Christmas was an interesting day. I didn't do a whole lot to celebrate other than I woke up for a photo shoot for my birthday, which is on Sunday. So I actually had to wake up at like 4 o'clock in the morning in order to beat the sunrise and get the best picture. So yesterday was a very long day for me because after the shoot, I actually just ended up getting into a little bit of a workflow, and so I ended up going to bed very late, which is why I'm waking up very late this morning, which is just one of the perks of living your freedom life and not having to live your life by an alarm clock anymore. And so today I'm gonna take you guys, today will be a vlogging video. I'm just gonna take you guys along on my day today. So today I've woken up, it's 11:30. I'm getting ready to head to the gym because for 2026 I'm on a mission to glow my glutes, and so I've just started a program that's requiring that I hit the gym 3 times a week. And so after I'm finished with that, I'm gonna come back here and I'm actually gonna make some YouTube videos for you guys, and I'm very excited about it because I've got some great topics and ideas coming up just based on some of the feedback that I've been getting in the comments. And so I'm very excited about what those things are going to be coming up on the channel. And then I am going to come back. I'm going to get ready because I'm doing an early birthday dinner with one of my girlfriends that moved here about a month before me. And then when I come back, I actually I actually have to stay up again late this I have to actually have to stay up again late tonight because I've got to complete some CPE requirements in order to maintain my CPA license in the States. So for those of you that are not aware, I'm an ex-corporate finance executive, and so I have my certified public license, my certified public accountant's license, and I have to do a certain amount of professional education every year in order to maintain that license. So the only time I can take these classes are on Eastern time, and so tonight will be another late night for me, but it's okay because I can sleep in tomorrow morning, right? For those of you that are new here, welcome to the channel. I am so glad that you found me. This is where you're gonna come for your daily dose of inspiration on what it looks like to create and live your freedom life out loud. In addition, this channel will be focused on all things money, particularly as it relates to how do we nurture and become good stewards of our finances, in addition to the biggie, which I've been so excited about because I've never done anything like this before. This is a completely new area for me, which is how to make money online. And my making these videos is actually part of that process. And so there's going to be so much more to come on that. So let's get this day started. I'm about to hit the gym. I probably got like a 45 to 60-minute workout, and then I'm going to come back, get ready, shoot today's YouTube video, and then get ready to head to dinner with my girlfriend. All right, let's go, guys. Alright guys, I know I haven't done a tour of the property yet, but today is not the day. I have to get to the gym. So I'm walking to the gym and I'm gonna get this workout in so that I can get ready to... Morning! How are you? So I can get ready to set up shop, make these videos, and workout that took way longer than I expected. So I'm about to go grab a smoothie because I don't want to ruin my appetite for dinner tonight. So I'm going to grab a protein smoothie from the restaurant on my way back to the room. And then I'm just going to pull myself together to shoot my YouTube video for the day. And I'll see you in a little bit. Hey! Can I order vanilla broccoli smoothie?
Coconut and banana.
Banana, coconut milk, protein powder. Yeah, I think that's how I did it last time. Yeah.
Sure.
And can you have them drop like 2 ice cubes in there so it could be a little chilly?
Sure.
Yeah, just 2 ice cubes. Yeah. Thank you. All right, so just waiting on that smoothie. I'm gonna take a little mental break. Oh my God, I'm tired. That workout wore me out. All right. Thank you so much. Look at this smoothie, guys. Vanilla, broccoli, banana, coconut milk, and protein powder. So yummy. Oh my God. It's one of my favorites here. Broccoli. Hey guys, I'm back. So I have pulled myself together and I'm getting ready. What time is it? It is about... Okay, so it's about 4:19 and I'm pointing that out because what I've done is I have set aside time every day to create my YouTube videos for you guys, whether it be a daily vlog or whether I'm shooting something that's more educational around money and finances. And so the reason I'm timing myself is that I am wanting to refine my process and have my process become more and more efficient. So when I started shooting these YouTube videos, it would take a while, right? And part of the reason I'm really documenting this process is because ultimately I want others to know that they can start their own YouTube channel as well. It's gonna take some time to work out the kinks here and there, but it can be done. And so when I look at, I started this challenge about end of November, and the goal was to post for 30 days straight. And part of that process was to just build the muscle of consistency, not necessarily having a clear plan as to what I was even going to be talking about, what was the niche, none of that stuff. It was simply to create and build the muscle for the consistency in showing up. And in doing that, I am getting more efficient at making these videos, making these vlogs. I'm becoming more comfortable in front of the camera, which is amazing. I'm been learning how best to structure YouTube videos that are on the educational side. And so I've been working a lot behind the scenes in order to really just kind of streamline this entire process, because again, I'm using all of what I'm doing as experience and inspiration for the idea that you can do it as well. So I from when I left you to now, it's probably been about an hour and a half, and that was I spent about an hour getting ready. I spent maybe like 30 minutes just kind of formulating the thought process for what the video I'm going to shoot, which is around just takeaways from my first digital product offering. And so I'm gonna go do that, and by then I'll probably be in a good place to like sit for like an hour before I have to get ready to go to birthday dinner with my girlfriend. And so yeah, this is just the behind the scenes of a day in the life, and let's go. Guys, I'm back. I'm ready for dinner. I have on a little back dress that I got here in Bali. It's got the back out. Oh, hopefully I didn't fall out too much there. I got these sandals are from Zara, and I'm wearing just a little black YSL purse, and still light out, so I'm gonna put these shades on. So this is the whole look. Just little Balinese night out. Going to this restaurant called A Car. So here's the look. Let me take a little twirl. Twirl, twirl. All right, I'm gonna grab my bike and head out to the restaurant. See you guys in a little bit. All right, guys, so this is the end of this video. I did go to dinner. However, it was not that great. So we're going to actually try again tomorrow night at a new steak restaurant called Batubara. The one that we went to, it just was not that good. I think they were more focused on the theatrics and the ambiance. It was actually a restaurant that turned into a club later that night. And so I just think they had too many things going on and they were not focused on the food. And so we are going to try again for another steak dinner tomorrow night. Remember, guys, if you like these videos, I invite you to subscribe to the channel and leave any questions and comments down below.